Louder. Cheese. Again, A, B. Sing. A, C, E, F, G. Penelope. Now my ABC. Next time, won't you sing? URS agad.
Morning guys, day 3 or 2 days nang wala akong vlog. Pasensya naman, inis ko nga kagabi, i-edit ko na ba? Ayun nga, kaso naiinis ako pag nakikita ko yung clip na ang puti, naiinis na ako talaga. Hindi pa rin ako nag-edit. Anyway, I'm having coffee and nag-bake ako ng banana muffin. Hindi ganun kaganda yung itsura niya, pero it's yummy and it's very light and fluffy. Ano to? Si daddy, bumili pala ng saging. Hindi naman sinasabi sa akin. Nakala ko, sa kanila yun, nila mama. Ang tataka ko, mabubulok na, din na ginagalaw. At kagabi lang sinabi ni daddy, saging, bulok na, di pa. Kaya na siya, So, 4 yung ginamit ko ngayon. Iniisip ko, i-shake ko yan mamaya or what, let's see. But yun, kaya, ito ang aming brekkie. Anyway, tingnan ko mamaya, baka i-edit ko na yung vlog kasi ayoko matambakan, yun yung mahirap. So, yes, good morning. Happy Saturday. 10:05 na. Sinabi ko ba yung time?
Saan yung inaaral mo kagabi?
Huh?
Saan yung inaaral mo kagabi? Gisna, saan na naman dyan? Isang pasada naman dyan. Orte! I'm your, anong tawag doon, daddy? Daddy, ang tawag doon? Groupie. Eh, yung mga, mga babaeng sumusunod sa mga nagbabanda. Sige, huwag mo sagutin. Fans.
Hi guys! Hi Zach. Nakagising lang niya from a power nap. Una na. So, good luck sa nap time later. Hindi pa tuloy ako nakakain kasi nga, tulog to kanina sa dibdib ko. Hindi ako makagalaw. Pag natutulog siya sa dibdib, walang gagalaw. Kasi magigising. Kasi daddy mo na yung kumakain. A black. A black? What color is that? Black. It's green. Yun ang favorite niya ngayon, black, hindi na red. Bilis magbago. Anyways, in-upload ko na yung vlog ko ng isang araw kasi sabi ko nga, mahirapan ako pag nag-backlog ako ng mga vlog. So, in-upload ko na yung September, what date was that? 29. Mamaya, edit ko ulit yung 30, or yung kahapon, and then, yeah, hopefully maayos. Hindi, wala, yung iMovie update sa App Store, ikot lang ng ikot. Wala nangyayari. So, hindi ko alam kung ano na. Ay, nako. Anyways, kung meron sa inyo nakakaalam ng solusyon, please let me know. Nga pala, last night, since hindi ako nag-edit kagabi, diba? Nanood kami ni daddy ng
Sabi niya, sino kausap ni Mami? Nanood, uy, tignan mo naman talaga to. Nanood kami ni Daddy kagabi ng Train to Busan. Nag-download siya. As yun. Grabe. Nakakalungkot yung naganap. May mga parts na nagugulat talaga ako. Oh, sorry. Tapos, ano yung sabi nila, nakikita ko sa Facebook, yun yung isa yata, Flu. Something like that din. Tapos, parang meron pang isang movie na, is it a prequel? Parang prequel ng Train to Busan. So, I wanna watch that too. Yeah, hanapin namin. Hanap ko kay Daddy. Yeah. Guys, finally out of the house. It's 6:20. And yeah. Going to the playground and then dinner later. Hi, Zach. Say hi. Hi. Very good. Sanay na. Okay. Uh-oh. Nagabaliw si Zé. Okay, not a good idea to bring ito din. Marunong mag-throw. What do you want? That one? You want that one? Marunong ka na mag-throw, ah. What's that? Peppa Pig? Guys, nagbabalik na pala ang trolls. Grabe, I remember this. When we were like high school. Yay! Pero iba na itsura eh. Iba itsura slightly. And the ilong is so flat. Show Daddy. Show Daddy. Mommy! What? What did you buy? Nanonood sa inyo kay Miss Glamorazzi. Ito yung recent na parang feature niya sa video niya. Yung Dyson na blow dryer. And it's $600. Oh my god. So expensive. Parang gusto ko na ganun ng TV sa kwarto. Daddy, gusto ko na ganyan TV sa Pasko. Grabe, $9,000. My goodness. Where is Zeb? Can I see? We're here in Dyson. Uh-oh. Zach also wants. Can I see? Zach? So cute. Clap, clap, clap. Are you happy? Are you happy, boy? Clap, clap, clap. What are you getting? Oh, what do you want? Oh, please. You want? You want this? What do you say? What do you... Very good. Okay. Guys, it's almost 10 o'clock and so it's time to turn off the lights and call it a day for these two. So tonight I'm gonna try to edit dito sa aking phone since feeling ko maikli lang yung vlog today, so baka kaya siyang i-save sa phone. We'll see. But yeah, so sorry kung ang pangit ng quality ng vlogs for the past 3 days. This is the 4th day na yata. I still haven't figured it out. So, tignan natin kailan maayos yun. Anyway, good night. We'll see you tomorrow. Say hi.
Hi.
Ay, ikaw ba? Ikaw din?
Hi.
Hi. How about Zach? Say hi. Hi. Are you handyman-y? What's this? A flying kiss? Flying kiss. Mwah. How about Kuya? Kuya, flying kiss.
Ma.
Mwah. How about Daddy? Daddy. Sexy, oh. Bold. Uy, meron pa? Oh, bye. Good night.